Ready to increase revenue per truck and reduce dead time? Connect with Acanum Logistics today and let our AI-driven systems optimize your freight operations. Acanum Logistics, Company Bio. Acanum Logistics is a technology-driven freight brokerage and logistics solutions company based in Kansas City, one of the nation's most strategic transportation hubs. Positioned at the crossroads of major interstate rail and distribution networks, we leverage our location to deliver fast, reliable, and cost-efficient freight solutions across the United States. At Acanum Logistics, we specialize in connecting shippers with a trusted network of vetted carriers, ensuring seamless transportation across dry van, reefer, flatbed, and specialized freight. Our mission is simple: move freight smarter, faster, and more profitably. We combine real-time market intelligence, advanced dispatch strategies, and relationship-based carrier management to optimize every load. Whether supporting small fleets or scaling enterprise shipping operations, Acanum Logistics delivers consistency, transparency, and performance at every mile. Core services, freight brokerage and load management. Carrier network development and dispatch support. Dedicated lanes and contract freight spot. Market optimization, supply chain coordination. What sets us apart? Data-driven decisions. We analyze lanes, rates, and capacity to maximize profit and efficiency. Carrier-first approach. We build long-term partnerships, not one-time transactions. Speed and communication, real-time updates, and rapid load coverage. Scalable systems, built to grow with carriers, fleets, and shippers. Our vision: to become a dominant force in Midwest freight corridors, expanding from Kansas City into major markets like Chicago, St. Louis, Texas, and beyond, while building a logistics network that operates like a high-performance carrier system, not just a brokerage. Acanum Logistics. Government readiness registered in sam.gov. Active UEICAGE code and DUNS number. Eligible for subcontracting and prime contractor support, capable of supporting federal and commercial logistics operations. Operational approach. We operate on a data-first, AI-enhanced model, analyze RPM, lane demand, and seasonal trends, identify and dominate hot freight corridors, pre-book reloads to eliminate downtime, continuously optimize for efficiency and margin growth. Outcome: higher utilization, stronger margins, and consistent performance. Technology compliance approach. Acanum Logistics integrates AI tools strictly as decision support systems, not autonomous operators. AI used for analytics, forecasting, and lane optimization. Human operators maintain final approval on all dispatch decisions, ensures transparency, accountability, and operational control. Acanum Logistics commitment. Acanum Logistics is committed to maintaining full compliance with applicable transportation regulations, safety standards, and federal contracting requirements while delivering efficient data-driven logistics solutions. Acanum Logistics. Differentiators: data-driven execution, real-time analytics, not guesswork. AI plus human oversight, automation with operational control. Top market rate strategy, focused on high-value freight positioning. Lane ownership model, building consistent freight corridors. Scalable systems, designed for growth and contract expansion. Core competencies: carrier dispatch and load coordination. Freight rate negotiation, data-driven market analysis, back-office support, invoicing compliance documentation, front-office operations, carrier and broker communication. Dedicated lane development and management. AI-powered load matching and market analysis, deadhead reduction and route optimization, AI automation and optimization strategy. Acanum Logistics deploys AI-assisted systems with human-in-the-loop oversight to eliminate inefficiencies and increase profitability. Hot map lane identification, target high-demand, high-paying freight zones. Dedicated lane roadmap, build consistent, repeatable revenue lanes. Dead time elimination, predictive reload planning to reduce empty miles. Smart load matching, align trucks with the most profitable freight in real time. Result, more loaded miles, less downtime, higher weekly revenue per truck. The AI edge in freight execution. Services attached, AI dispatch optimization, hot lane mapping, load matching. Get positioned in higher paying lanes today. Contact Acanum Logistics to activate AI-powered freight execution for your fleet. Smarter lanes, faster decisions, higher profit. Services attached, dedicated lane development, real-time market. Analysis, dispatch support. Where AI meets real-world logistics. Services attached, human-in-the-loop AI dispatch, back-office support, carrier operations, predict position, profit. Services attached, predictive lane mapping, load forecasting, route optimization. Stay ahead of freight demand. Let Acanum Logistics position your trucks for maximum profit. Bottom line. Acanum Logistics is not a traditional dispatch service. It is an AI-powered freight optimization system designed to eliminate inefficiency, reduce downtime, and consistently position carriers in higher-paying freight lanes. How Acanum Logistics stays ahead of competitors. Acanum Logistics is ahead of traditional dispatchers and brokerage competitors because we operate as a data-driven logistics intelligence system, not just a load board operator or middleman. The competitive edge in every mile. Services attached, deadhead reduction, RPM optimization, carrier performance strategy. Turn every mile into revenue. Connect with Acanum Logistics and gain your competitive edge. AI-driven freight intelligence for maximum efficiency. Services attached, AI analytics, market intelligence, freight optimization systems. Leverage data-driven freight intelligence to scale your fleet smarter. Partner with Acanum Logistics today. One, AI-driven decision-making versus manual dispatching. Most competitors rely on static load boards, manual searching, reactive booking. Acanum Logistics uses an AI-assisted hot lane and market mapping system that identifies high-demand freight corridors in real time, predicts rate shifts before they happen, positions carriers for higher-paying loads in advance. Result, better loads, less guesswork, higher margins. 2. Hot lane strategy versus random load. Booking competitors often book loads one at a time. Acanum Logistics builds dedicated lane roadmaps, predictable freight cycles, repeatable revenue corridors. Result, carriers stop chasing freight and start running structured, profitable lanes. 3. Dead time elimination versus empty miles. Most dispatch services accept downtime as normal. Acanum Logistics actively reduces it by pre-planning reload opportunities, using predictive positioning, AI plus market data, minimizing deadhead miles between loads. Result, more loaded miles per week, less wasted time. 4. Data intelligence versus relationship only. Brokerage. Traditional brokers rely heavily on relationships and outdated rate knowledge. Acanum Logistics uses real-time rate tracking, lane performance analysis, RPM, rate per mile, benchmarking, market heat mapping. Result, decisions based on data, not assumptions. 5. Human-in-the-loop AI versus fully manual operations. We don't remove people, we enhance them. AI handles analysis, forecasting, and lane detection. Human operators validate decisions and manage execution. Result, speed of automation plus accuracy of real-world experience. 6. Carrier profit focus versus volume focus. Many competitors focus on booking volume. Acanum Logistics focuses on revenue per mile, lane consistency, long-term carrier profitability. Result, carriers don't just move freight, they grow revenue systems. Stop sitting. Start earning. Join Acanum Logistics and get positioned in high-paying lanes with consistent freight and smarter dispatching. Partner with Acanum Logistics to streamline operations, secure top-market freight, and eliminate costly downtime. Contact us today to discuss how we can support your fleet or contract requirements.